Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our 30 Days Spoken English Challenge. I'm so happy to see you again as we continue this exciting journey of learning English together. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone who wants to speak English more confidently, this challenge will help you improve one day at a time. Today is day 2, and our topic is basic greetings and meeting people. Greetings are the first step in every conversation. The way you greet someone creates the first impression and helps start a friendly conversation. Whether you're meeting a teacher, a friend, a coworker, a classmate, or a neighbor, knowing the right greetings will help you communicate naturally and confidently. Many English learners know grammar and vocabulary but hesitate when it's time to speak. Don't worry, that's completely normal. The good news is that you only need a few simple expressions to begin a conversation. In today's lesson, you'll learn how to greet people politely, greetings for different times of the day, how to ask someone how they are, how to ask about someone's day, how to introduce yourself while meeting someone, how to say, nice to meet you, how to start a simple conversation naturally. Remember, confidence comes through practice, not perfection. Every conversation helps you improve. So, let's begin. 1. Saying hello. The two most common English greetings are hello and hi. Hello is polite and can be used in almost every situation. You can use it with teachers, strangers, coworkers, customers, neighbors, or friends. Examples: hello, hello, everyone. Hello, sir. Hello, ma'am. Hello, Mr. Brown. Hi. Hi is more casual and friendly. It is commonly used with friends, classmates, family members, coworkers, and people of your own age. Examples: hi. Hi, Sarah. Hi, everyone. Hi, Alex. Remember, hello equals polite and suitable for both formal and informal situations. Hi equals friendly and informal. 2. Greetings for different times of the day. Instead of simply saying, hello, English speakers often greet people according to the time. Morning. Good morning. Use this greeting from early morning until around noon. Examples: good morning, teacher. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How are you? Afternoon. Good afternoon. Use it afternoon until early evening. Examples: good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon. Nice to see you. Evening. Good evening. Use this greeting in the evening when meeting someone. Examples: good evening. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. How was your day? Remember, morning, good morning. Afternoon, good afternoon. Evening, good evening. 3. Asking about someone's well-being. After greeting someone, people usually ask, how are you? This is a polite way to ask how someone is feeling. Common replies include, I'm fine, thank you. I'm good. I'm great. I'm doing well. Pretty good. Not bad. I'm okay. I'm feeling wonderful today. You can also return the question by saying, how about you? Or, and you? Example: hello. Hello. How are you? I'm doing well. How about you? I'm great. Thank you. Asking about someone's day. Another common question is, how is your day? This means, how is everything going today? Possible answers include, this going well, this great, this good, this been busy, this wonderful, everything is going well. So far, so good. Example: how is your day? This going well. That's great. 5. Meeting someone for the first time. When meeting a person for the first time, introduce yourself. Example: hello, I'm Emma. What's your name? My name is Alex. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Remember, use nice to meet you only the first time you meet someone. If you already know the person, don't use this expression again. Useful vocabulary. Let's learn some useful words you'll hear often in conversations. Friend, teacher, student, neighbor, coworker, classmate, family, customer, manager, visitor. Try saying each word clearly and confidently. Conversation practice 1. Hello. Hi. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. How about you? I'm great. That's wonderful. Conversation practice 2. Good morning. Good morning. How is your day? It's going well. I'm glad to hear that. Thank you. Conversation practice 3. Imagine you're meeting a new classmate. Hello. Hi. My name is Emma. My name is Alex. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. How are you today? I'm doing well, thank you. How is your day? It's great. That's wonderful. Conversation practice 4. Imagine you're meeting your new coworker. Good morning. Good morning. I'm James. I'm Olivia. Welcome to the team. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. I hope you have a great day. Thank you. You too. Pronunciation practice. Practice saying these expressions slowly and clearly. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. I'm doing well. How is your day? It's going well. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Remember to smile while speaking. Smiling makes your English sound friendlier and more natural. Quick review. Today you learned how to say hello politely, use greetings for different times of the day, ask someone how they are, respond politely, ask about someone's day, meet someone for the first time, start a simple conversation. Excellent work. Practice challenge. Now it's your turn. Practice these expressions with a family member, a friend, or in front of a mirror. Try saying, hello, good morning, how are you? I'm doing well. How is your day? It's going well. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Repeat this short conversation at least 5 times today. The more you practice, the more natural your English will become. Daily speaking tip. Don't memorize English like a school subject. Instead, imagine you're speaking to a real person. Speak clearly. Speak slowly. Don't worry about mistakes. Every mistake helps you become a better English speaker. Conclusion. Congratulations. You've successfully completed day 2, basic greetings and meeting people. Today you learned how to greet people confidently, ask simple questions, respond naturally, and begin friendly conversations in English. Keep practicing every day because small daily improvements lead to big results. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for the next lesson in our 30 Days Spoken English Challenge. In day 3, we'll learn how to introduce yourself, talk about your name, your country, your hometown, and your occupation. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.